Huh? Garlic. Fry the garlic. And this is the cook. Very beautiful girl. Okay. Next, spring onion
and carrot.
And carrot. Wow. Ingredients for Chinese rice. Yeah, and shrimp. Mashallah. Hello. Napsehag tabak. Halwa. No problem.